So I wanted to make a quick video for anybody searching YouTube about how to install the PRINSU roof rack, and this is specifically on a GX460 because their instructions lack a little bit in some of the videos I was watching before I did this. Also, just lack some pointers. I'm going to show this a few times, so feel free to screenshot it, but it's basically extra context in addition to instructions that you're given from the PRINSU website. But what I did was just take everything out of the box, make sure everything is there, and then went ahead to the current roof rails on the GX, and you just pop off the covers with a flathead screwdriver. And then this was a 1/2-inch wrench, and I just took off each bolt one by one. You can see I put a towel down to basically keep the bolts on and organized so they also don't scratch the paint. Once the rails are off, it's a really good opportunity to just wipe down that whole channel that the water goes down. Clean it up. There's a good chance that there's like leaves and other just funky dirt in there. And then also for the black rubber that sits in the channel, you can clean that up as well before reinstalling it. When it comes to the RTV silicone that you see here, it comes in clear or black, so up to you which one you got. We went with clear because of the white paint of the car. I used it here to put the spacers down, and it helps a little bit as an adhesive for the spacers before I put the rack on top and then screw it all in. Before you put the bolts in, you'll want to go back through each hole and fill it all the way up to the top of the spacer. That way when you put the bolts in, it's overflowing, and that means you won't have any gaps that water can go through. I did do this 6 months ago in the winter, and we haven't had any leaks or anything like that. And this is what I had found was lacking out there on the YouTubes about how much RTV sealant to use. Use it all. Definitely fill that entire hole. And here's what it looks like afterwards. It's been great for the last 6 months that we've had it. I haven't noticed a difference in miles per gallon, and it's really convenient to move those crossbars wherever you need them and to strap things down.